Have you ever had a teacher that you know would date a student if they could? Because one time I was in class using this app that just records what my teacher is saying and takes notes on it. And the teacher got really angry at me for being on my phone, so she took it away before I could even explain what I was doing. But then the next day, this guy named Mikey was on his phone using Snapchat. And surely when the teacher saw this, she took his phone away like she did to mine, right? Wrong. Instead, she said, "Mikey, what are you doing on your phone?" And he just goes, "I'm on Snap." And after saying that, the teacher says, "Oh, let's take a picture together to post." But it gets worse because after they take the picture, she goes, "Oh, I love it. Add my page so you can send it to me." You're pushing 40. Why do you have Snap? And this annoyed me so much because I struggle to focus in class. And before I started using TurboLearn, I was never able to concentrate. So I really needed this. Like, it literally listens to your professor and it makes notes, flashcards, quizzes, and there's even a cute chatbot that you can ask questions to. But hey, I guess using TurboLearn is still less appropriate than you snapping a student, right?